Hey everyone, my name is Sun and thanks for tuning in to my video demonstration on a completely rigged raffle using random.org's List Randomizer. And so the purpose of this video is to highlight the dangers of participating in raffles or giveaways that use random.org's free List Randomizer to basically conduct these giveaways. This video was essentially spurred due to recent activities in Canada wherein a man for a very well-established sneaker community was caught cheating in his raffles. Primarily some of the telltale signs in his rigged raffles were that the timestamps were incorrect. He was providing ETC timestamps instead of the commonly displayed UTC timestamp. He often had no URL in the web browser, nor did he ever provide a refresh or a new browser experience for random.org. And the mere fact that he got greedy and he gave two fabricated individuals a resounding 90% of the wins. And so what this video is going to show you is that regardless of the ETC timestamp, regardless of a new browser experience, I in fact was able to rig a random.org's free List Randomizer giveaway that is indistinguishable from the real thing. And so that's what my demonstration is going to be today, and I hope that you guys all will find this very useful. So let's get started with the demo. Hey everyone, welcome back to my video demonstration on how I was able to completely rigged random.org free List Randomizer raffle that it was indistinguishable from the real thing. So the first thing I want to show you is my workstation setup. It's just a Lenovo Carbon ThinkPad. The first thing I'm going to show you is my Wi-Fi connection to just show you that I have one outbound connection. So there's no VPN or any tunneling like that. The next thing I'm going to show you is IIS, which is Internet Information Services. IIS is basically used to power any websites locally on this workstation. A lot of arguments was that riggers will often create fake lookalike websites, and here I'm going to show you that in fact I'm not running IIS, or in fact Hyper-V Manager, which is a virtualized software for running isolated CPUs on the client's computer. And so as you can see, IIS, or Internet Information Services, is not installed, so not powering any sort of websites on my workstation, nor is Hyper-V installed, so no virtual machines on this workstation. Okay. Just like normal giveaways or raffles that you participate, there's always a list of participants, and so generally is through a list 1 through 10. I've just randomly selected some names here, and the one name that I want you to keep an eye on is number 6, Michael Scott. Okay, in all of my demonstration, Michael Scott will always be the winner. Okay, so regardless of how many spin counts there are or what position, Michael Scott will always be the winner. Okay, I'm gonna open up random.org's website. I'm just gonna make it big. Typically in a giveaway or a raffle, the participant will, or the rigger will typically go to the list site. He'll copy in a list of names, and he'll run through the list. At the end, essentially the winner will be displayed. Okay. So I'm actually going to start a new session of Google Chrome to show you that in fact that it is a fresh Google Chrome. So there's the fresh instance. I'm actually just going to go to hypebeast.com just to show you that in fact that it is a real Google Chrome web browser. I'm not actually faking anything there. I'm actually going to now go to random.org, and instead of using the cache, I'm going to actually let Google search bring up the website. I'm going to click on this link here to random.org. Notice here I'm securely connected to the site with the green lock, and I'm going to click on the List Randomizer. I'm going to use my typical list of giveaway participants that I have already prepared, and in my first demonstration I'm actually going to do a spin of 5 and then the winning spot of number 3. So my anticipated result is that I should have Michael Scott, who is currently in spot 6, after the 5th spin being position 3. Okay, notice that this is the same random.org website that I did a Google search for and opened up in a brand new Google Chrome browser. And I'm just gonna go through this list, okay? As you can see, still the green lock to indicate that that was a secure connection. And you see here that there is a UTC timestamp, as we normally would associate with a legitimate random.org list randomizer outcome. And again, I'm going to go through this list, and we're on spin number 4, and Michael Scott is currently on spot number 6. Okay. In our test case, again, we mentioned that after spin 5, Michael Scott should be on spin 3. And in 3, 2, 1, in fact, Michael Scott has been moved to spot 3. Notice that it is still green. You see the UTC timestamp, and nothing foofy has occurred within this Google browser. Okay, I'm going to close this down again, and in my next test case, I'm going to go to spin 6 and spot number 3. Okay, I'm going to move this camera a little bit closer so that you guys can see the results here. Again, same web browser, nothing changes. I'm going to again go to random.org's website, click it there, and I'm going to search for the list randomizer. I'm going to paste the list again, same list that I pasted in. Again, nothing at the bottom, nothing at the top. Scroll down, I'm going to click this list randomizer. Okay, same camera cue, green lock to indicate that we have a secure connection to random.org. Again, UTC timestamp. Okay, the browser has not changed, still using Google Chrome browser. And again, after spin number 5, again, Michael Scott should be here in spot number 3. But in this test case, we're going to say as well, after spin 6, Michael Scott is also going to be in spot number 9. So number 5, as you can see, Michael Scott, as we predicted, would be in spot number 3. And on spin 6, he should also be in spot number 9, which he is. Okay. For this last demonstration, I'm going to show you the power of what I've been able to do. And so again, we're going to do now in this test case 10 spins in spot number 4. Okay, again, I'm going to open up a same instance of Google Chrome, new tab, right? I'm going to do a search for random.org. Oops. I'm going to let Google bring back the results for me. I'm going to go directly to the web page. I'm going to click on the list randomizer. Again, secure connection. I'm going to click paste. Again, nothing at the bottom, nothing at the top, and we have green lock. And after the first spin, we have the UTC timestamp. Okay, again, like we demonstrated before, after spin 5, Michael Scott should be in position 3, which he is. Spin 6, he should be on position 9, which he is. And now we're actually going to take it one step further and show you the level of deceit that someone can in fact do on a free list randomizer from random.org. And so on spot 10, notice here, all the names have been injected to what I want them to be. And so this really highlights the level of cheating someone can in fact conduct through random.org's free list randomizer. So what does this mean? It basically means that I personally would not trust any raffles or giveaways that are run via random.org's free list randomizer. As you can see through my demonstration live, that I was able to complete 100% rig a raffle to basically display the outcomes that I wanted it to display. I created this video to basically, reunite the community, to basically protect the integrity of the community, especially the admins that conduct these giveaways, but primarily for the participants who are participating in these giveaways. A lot of people have lost a lot of sleep, a lot of money over the cheating and the rigging that has occurred in the past week. And this video was to basically demonstrate that I could take it one step further. I can make it almost undistinguishable from the real thing. And so this leads into my next demonstration on how to participate in a giveaway or a raffle that is legitimate, that is unriggable, that you cannot actually cheat. And this is what I'll be demonstrating now. Hey, welcome back to my video. And so in this next demonstration, I'm gonna show you the only type of giveaways or raffles that you should be participating in are the ones conducted via random.org's paid service, the multi-round giveaway service. And so the difference between this type of giveaway and the one that is offered through their free site is that every single round that is displayed is recorded, and especially the final round. The final round is recorded, and so the administrator or the admin who's conducting these raffles is not able to fabricate the final result, essentially the winner of the giveaway. And so at the conclusion of every single giveaway, and in this demonstration, I'm going to call this demo number 9, we're going to have 10 rounds. And again, we're going to paste in the list of participants, like any normal giveaway. And just like the free service that random.org provides, it randomizes this list. The main difference is that every single round is recorded so that the participants are able to view the results of every single round for this giveaway. And at the end of each round, or at the end of each giveaway, there's an actual code that is provided to the participants. The administrator or the men who are running this raffle should copy this link and actually paste it into the body of the text where the results are being displayed. Essentially, this 6-digit code, KMF, so if we paste it here, and we go to a new instance of random.org, and we go to the multi-service, we can take this code, KMF, and input it into random.org to verify that the giveaway was indeed legitimate. And so here we entered in that code, and through random.org's website, the verification was successful. And we can go down and we can see the results of every single round, but more importantly, the results of the final round. This is the only sure way to basically participate in a giveaway or raffle that cannot be rigged. A reason for this is it's transparent. The results are stored on random.org servers. There's no way to inject a list of winners that has been predetermined by the administrator, or AKA been rigged. And it basically ensures that all raffles are legitimate. So if you're gonna participate in any sort of giveaway, I would only participate in ones that use the paid service from random.org's multi-round giveaway. All right, everyone. Thanks again for tuning into this video. Thanks again for watching.